Hello everybody, what you're looking at here is a 1980s 52-inch Emerson 1895 ceiling fan. I got this at Habitat for $5. It came with a broken blade, as you can see. As you can see right here. This side. The blade was broken originally, so what I did was I used a Harbor Breeze Bella Vista blade. And it ended up working, so let's turn on the light. You can see it has stents on it. And the reverse is just plain top of it. That's kind of what it looks like. The switch housing was loose, but I was able to fix that up. It is 4 speeds. Does not wobble even with the replacement blade. So, yeah. Turn it on the lowest setting. I like these fans a lot. They're not really childhood at all because I've never seen them in person besides this, honestly. Kind of sad it broke, but you know, at least I can still use it with its replacement iron. I do have both, or I do have the other parts, both parts of them, but I just don't feel like trying to fix them, put them back together, because I feel like that's a little bit useless compared to just getting a new iron. So this is kind of temporary until I can get a new iron. So yeah. Turn it up a little bit. Stupid charger. I honestly think this is a really cool fan. Even if it's broken, I'm really glad I finally have one. I want a brown one, a brown and brass one. If they exist, because I don't really know. But I assume they exist, because I feel like I've seen one on YouTube, but I just can't remember. This fan did not come with its bracket, so that's why I'm using some just generic bracket, which is a little unfortunate. Oh, and also it's really loud for some reason. I'm not too sure why it's really loud like that. I put this 4-on-1. It was not original. Originally came with just a single fitter, but I think I should put a 4-on on it. It was also a suggestion from Thomas Aaron, Casablanca La Roque. He was on call with me, and I was like, you know, I asked him if I should put what type of light gate I should put on it to cover the insides, since the switch housing was since the switch housing doesn't have like a switch cap or anything. But yeah. It is polished brass because I do not have any antique brass light kits. But it doesn't really bother me, honestly. Let's bring it up to high. You can hear it's very loud. Which is, no, these are usually pretty loud. It does blow a really good amount of air. As you can see, it does not wobble. Close-ups. Now the tulip shades are original to the light kit. When I got the light kit at Habitat, it did come with these tulip shades. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed my 1980s 52-inch Emerson 1895 series in antique brass finish. Goodbye.